I had made another video basically going over the different settings and everything that you have inside of your DJI Go4 app for the Spark. However, I was using an iPad mini 4, and so because of it, I had a little blip map in the corner that showed where you were. And I got a lot of private messages and comments asking how you do that. Before, I was thinking, since I mainly only used the iPad for flying, was that you could only see or have the little map on there if you were using a larger screen, because you'd have more real estate and so they could show you more without it blocking everything. So I finally got a chance to plug in and test out my iPhone 7 here. So this is not the Plus. So this is one of the smaller screens that someone would be using. If you click the little radar blip map, it'll actually toggle it over to the map. So then if you hit the top right corner, you see that little crosshair looking thing. If you hit that, it toggles it back to the map. So what's great about this is you can click that, make that large, and then if you click anywhere else inside of that box, it'll make that full size. And then of course you've also got the options on here of toggling between standard, satellite, or hybrid. So obviously depending on where you're at might depend on how you want to see things. If you're in a city, obviously streets and that kind of thing will be more important. But if you're out somewhere at a canyon or a mountainside, you might use satellite or even hybrid. So that's your choice, but it's super easy to toggle back and forth. So then once you're set up like this, you just hit the little box again and that will pop up. Normally, of course, once the DJI Spark is connected, you'd be able to see whatever the Spark is seeing. I don't have that connected right now, so that's why it just shows it black. And to toggle it back to the radar, you just go ahead and hit the crosshair looking thing here and it'll switch back over to that. But otherwise, super simple. Again, I don't know for Android if that works or not, but at least on the iOS platform, it does. So again, just hit the radar map, it'll toggle to that, hit the little crosshair to switch it back to radar, or you can click it again and get a full screen, overview of where you're at. So there you go. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be going over, of course, more stuff. And if you have any other questions on this, please leave a comment below and let me know if there's anything else you guys need me to test.